Hello all, welcome to the program Know Your Government by Ekam IAS, an initiative where a government scheme is picked upon, elaborated and is followed by a question which is in line with the UPSC pattern. Today we will look into a scheme or a program which is known as the UNNATI Program, which was in news recently. UNNATI Program. Now, UNNATI Program basically stands for Unispace Nano Satellite Assembly and Training Program. Unispace Nano Satellite Assembly and Training Program. Nano Satellite Assembly and Training Program. And this is a program by ISRO. UNNATI Program is a program by ISRO. UNNATI is basically a capacity building program on nano satellite development. So, in the segment of nano satellites, enhancing the capacity development of nations or people to build those and giving them proper training was the idea of this UNNATI program. Then, this is basically an initiative by ISRO to commemorate the 50th anniversary, of the first United Nations conference on what? On the exploration and peaceful uses of outer space. So, United Nations conference was there before for regarding the exploration and peaceful uses of outer spaces, and to commemorate the 50th anniversary of that, which is happening recently, was the key reason why ISRO has come up with this program of UNNATI Program. Then, this program provides opportunities to the participating developing countries to strengthen in the assembling, integrating and testing part. In strengthening the assembling part of the nano satellite, then in the integration of those assembled parts as well, and giving them an opportunity for the testing up of the nano satellite as well. So, a comprehensive learning mechanism in terms of a nano satellite part has been what has been envisaged under the UNNATI program. UNNATI program is planned to be conducted for 3 years. So, it has started its the application invitation in 2018, etc. And this program will be continued in three different batches. And this will be planned to, or this has been now planned to be continued till 2020. And 3 years by UR Rao satellite centers of ISRO in 3 different batches. This is going to happen till 2020. The primary objective of the program is to provide theoretical course on satellite technology. So, in general, enabling the participants with the theoretical related aspects pertaining to satellite technology is the first objective of this one. Now, comprehensive course on nano satellite realization and hands-on training for what? To assemble, integrate and to test a low-cost modular nano satellite. So, in general, giving a theoretical training on the satellite related technology and satellite related aspects, as well as giving the proper training as well as hands-on experience to assemble, integrate the system and even to test nano satellites is also one of the key privileges which the participants are getting under this UNNATI program. Now, the background of this program is towards the Unispace initiative, wherein which the outer space regions has been identified before, and as we have discussed, there is an organization which is known as UNOOSA, that is United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs. United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs. Now, they are basically working on a system of UN-led, United Nations-led international constellation of satellites for what? In scenarios of disaster management, or to also for telecommunication, also for GNSS system, etc. The UNOOSA offices has been working across different nations to achieve this one. As part of UNOOSA's efforts to make the satellite technology available to the developing countries in a simplified and for them also to access the satellite technology, what they have done is, as part of this Unispace initiative, in 2017, a symposium or a conference has been organized. And that conference was something which was known as United Nations Committee on Peaceful Usage of Outer Space. A conference or a convention has happened in Vienna in February 2017. So, in that one, India have made a commitment that we would come up with a program or a training mechanism wherein which we will enable other countries with our technology capability in the nano satellite segment. So that is how the background of this UNNATI program is or has happened. Now, under this UNNATI program, the primary objective of the program, as we have discussed, is to offer a simplified and increased exposure to satellite fabrication technologies, to give enough opportunities for people, especially from other developing countries, to come and participate and learn the satellite fabrication technology is one of the key objectives of this one. Provide again a theoretical course on satellite technology and satellite related aspects too. Third one is to provide intensive course on nano satellite realization. So understand that this is a program which is been focusing upon the nano satellite realization, fabrication, assembly, integration, and finally its testing of its one. And last but not least is these people are getting a privilege of hands-on training to experiment the learnings which they have got under this program. So that is the crux of the UNNATI program. We will now see a question which is based on this. With reference to UNNATI program, which of the following statements given below is or are correct? Question 1. This is an initiative by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. No, this is not an initiative wherein the major focus is to provide upon the industrial development or to focus upon the entrepreneurship part. No, that is not one of the key objectives of this program, which is making the first statement wrong. First statement wrong means we are left with option B and option D. So we can eliminate option A and option C. The second statement is UNNATI is basically a capacity building program on robotics and artificial intelligence. So the key focus of UNNATI is not on robotics and artificial intelligence, but it is definitely on satellite, especially on the satellite management part, which is making the second statement as well as wrong. So statement 1 is wrong, statement 2 is wrong, and the correct answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. Thank you so much.